Low Carbon London, a learning journey. Here at UK Power Networks, we're putting real London communities and businesses at the heart of our smart energy approach. We're proposing a learning journey to demonstrate how the electricity distribution network must change to enable the government's 2020 low carbon transition plan and help the UK's highest CO2 emitting city to meet its tough carbon reduction targets. So let's take a look at a community in the low carbon London of the future. As well as taking low carbon electricity production from microgeneration, like solar PV roof panels, and combined cooling and heating power systems, our network is now supplying electric vehicles and domestic heat pumps. And we've learnt how to influence energy demand to make best use of local low carbon energy production and centralised nuclear and wind generation. We've monitored electric vehicle demand patterns at street and workplace locations and influenced charging behaviour to maximise use of network capacity and low carbon generation. And we've discovered how to develop our network to accommodate increasing levels of local low carbon electricity production while supporting the efficient use of centralised nuclear and wind power. And having installed smart meters in thousands of residential homes in the Mayor's low carbon zones and in the Green Enterprise District, we know all about the many opportunities that smart meters offer to electricity distributors, suppliers, and most importantly, customers. When it comes to the city's major business customers and businesses within the Green Enterprise District, we understand how innovative commercial arrangements with commercial aggregators can incentivize businesses to make better use of low-carbon electricity and network capacity while helping the transmission system operator to balance the national electricity system more efficiently. It hasn't been an easy journey, but we've achieved our ultimate goal: to find the most efficient and cost-effective way to make our distribution network enable a low-carbon future for London. In the lead-up to 2020, when everyone was talking about a low-carbon economy, our distribution network helped organisations like Transport for London, the Institute for Sustainability and the Greater London Authority to realise some of their carbon reduction ambitions. By focusing on real London communities, we changed the way we work with our partners and customers. Empowering them to reduce their carbon footprint, we help them benefit financially by reducing their electricity consumption at times of peak demand or reduced availability of intermittent wind and solar power. And our low-carbon London Learning Laboratory has been at the heart of all this, capturing the research and learning, helping to enable more low-carbon communities across the UK. UK Power Networks has remained at the centre of London's low-carbon initiatives, working with our partners to manage our network more efficiently and innovatively. We've made radical changes to the way we manage our distribution network and are now well on the way to delivering a low-carbon London.
We are looking forward to working with our partners to ensure that the project delivers on its objective in making London lead the world in the development of an electricity distribution network that is fit for a low-carbon economy. Thank you.
London has to take the lead in low carbon reduction. We need to do this to achieve our 60% carbon reduction target by 2025.
The best way to reduce our city's CO2 output is to come up with brilliantly innovative technical solutions. That's why we're going for the 10 low carbon zones, for a massive campaign to retrofit public and private buildings. And of course, we're also trying to reduce our vehicular fleet's emissions. More electric vehicles now in London than any other city in Europe.
London aspires to be the electric vehicle capital of Europe. This requires the provision of great infrastructure along with low carbon, affordable electricity. London's an incredibly diverse city. It's got urban, suburban and semi-rural locations, meaning that any project that's undertaken here is applicable across the rest of the UK. The Low Carbon London project will give us the opportunity to understand how electric vehicles are used in the real world.
The Low Carbon London project offers us a unique opportunity to showcase how we deliver sustainable cities. It will provide the platform for additional projects, additional investment, at the same time to actively support skills and jobs programs, particularly in East London.
Imperial College is setting up a dedicated Low Carbon London Learning Laboratory to design trial and experiments to assess the impact of a Great Britain-wide rollout to help DNOs to support a cost-effective evolution to a low-carbon future.
National Grid brings to the project significant expertise in system operation, demand-side response and network monitoring and control. Understanding our customers is going to be key, and Low Carbon London really will enable us to understand how they will respond to smart technologies on our energy networks.
Technology is crucial. Most of the technologies to create high-value environmental solutions already exist today. Low Carbon London is an exciting project because it enables us to gain experience, which is vital to deploy those solutions later on in cities around the globe.
The Low Carbon London project will use our proven active network management technology and apply the same principles to highly congested urban networks. What we learn here in London will be applicable to all of the UK.
We think this is a fantastic opportunity for the people of London to look at low carbon challenges. Logica specifically are bringing our expertise around smart metering and how smart metering and smart grids together can improve the low carbon London. Everything that happens first in London will invariably happen elsewhere in the UK.
Low Carbon London isn't just about London. Low Carbon London, through the smart grid infrastructure that it involves, will help to green up the whole grid in the UK. This project brings very conservative electricity customers into direct participation with low carbon technologies.
Low Carbon London is a fantastic transformational opportunity to explore new ways of working with our customers to make it easy for them to reduce their carbon and save themselves money.
One thing I really like about this project is it gives us an opportunity to come together with a large number of partners and find ways to work together that we haven't had to do before in a way that we will have to increasingly in a low carbon economy.